Hello everybody, thank you for supporting the Willtopia channels, and remember to hit the like and subscribe and also share videos. Thank you so much. And today we are going to review the next generation iSpin. So if you want to buy these, remember to get from the authentic. There's so many vendors on Amazon say original 6-eye spinner, but only iSpin by Spinner. I believe it's Spinner for You number 4, and You is the original sellers. And you also check out the Indiegogo Kickstarter page. I'll put the link in the description page, and please check them out, how they get started, and support them. And this is from the other called Finger Spinner, designed by LJY. Let's see. So this one is very cool. They put a form in the case. Very shiny. And this is just a stubby gun. Just put it as a comparison. And this is the second generation, called iSpin S2. So they have additional lighter color rubber band. Still very quiet, well, high quality design spinners. It was on sale for the Kickstarter supporter for $19.99. Right now I believe it's $27. So I will see what I can do to talk to them, see if I can give a discount to the users. So they'll give you the instructions. The original one give the pouch. So check out our original video. So let's get started. So we'll spin our Sunkong, our Shimshao, our spinning copper spinner, the Valkyrie, and the Angry Wolf. And we'll do the Miko. So you can see that this one, they have a 3 rubber band, red, green, and blue, to give you a nice pattern. So you can take a look. That this is a signature that they printed their names around it, and they also have iSpin, the QR code here. So just don't make sure you get the authentic one, and this the original one only $24. So, and you can guarantee that they will give you good quality spinner. This is super quiet and super smooth when spin. No wobble. Very nice spinners. And before that, since they were not selling on Amazon, a lot of vendors, they just copy the design and make the spinners. So one is by a Dragon Spinners. They look exactly the same, but this one is more. It's $30. And why buy a clone when you can buy the original one for $25? And also remember to support original. They spend a lot of time to design and manufacture. And they give a nice pouch. And this is also that they have a QR code at the back called iSpin plus S3 3 to 6 minutes, and look like it's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. I don't think it's going to make 3 minutes. And let's take a look at this guy. Two minutes and 39 seconds, and they'll stop 2 minutes and 40 seconds and almost the same. So this guy has give you extra phone to put it here, and also not sure what now. So this is, they make the extra phone as some sort of charm. Okay, so we don't waste the extra space or extra material. That's pretty cool. So it's more kind of a designer style. So let's take a quick look. So this one is a classic. It's probably a little bit tight, but the same iSpin quality. And open it up. Yep, one out R88 with ring secured it. So none of these can beat our 6 champion on the top, but it's very, very quiet. And it's a little bit bigger than original one. So we can try to spin them together. And this guy is a sword. It's a very, very big cat. Pretty smooth. And open it up. This is the Sunkong style. Yep, a hybrid ball bearing. So you probably need some tool to secure it and open it, and they don't provide it. So this guy can, same thing, you can take it out. So this is a very, very shiny stainless steel. It's the same thing. That this you can make different stick figures, different snow flag. Very good. Doesn't wobble. Doesn't make too much noise. This guy is a generic brand. It's stubby, short, but you can also take it out. These are brass constructions. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button here and check out our video here. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.